creepy Toki face. He looked like he just laid an egg, and which he did. Your face, boy, stop that. You look like you're about to have a seizure.
Huh? But I have a new apron and everything.
No, you're cooking sauce. No, just don't.
And I'm sure it looks great on you, but I'm not that hungry, and,
Trunks.
Oh. Well, in that case...
She's so disrespectful. It's like that little kid. It's like, oh, well, I just wanted to... Oh.
Okay, I guess we'll wait until we can get everyone together. After all, that partner of yours isn't back yet anyway.
yeah. I hope everything's okay.
Just make a phone call every once in a while.
Yeah, everybody forgets they have a phone.
Right.
Literally the future, man.
Look, another change in history.
You're so happy, Trunks. Why? I hate my job. I literally have to go risk my life every day. I guess that's what people do. Risk their lives every day so other people can live. Ha!
Excellent work.
No, I'm not fighting Geneva, I'm not fighting Bully, I'm not fighting Mirror, and I'm not fighting Mass Bardock.
We've gathered quite a lot of energy. Turles, Slug, and Cooler, they're all doing their parts. They brought back a great deal of damage energy, much more than I expected.
Thanks to it, I feel far stronger. So why is it that I suddenly feel anxious? What is that strange, immeasurable power? Why do they possess it, but I do not? This one is the same. Incredible. He's far stronger than when we first captured him. And is he even stronger than when Toa augmented his power? Yes, but this one doesn't frighten me. Not like the other ones. What is that power?
Mira, the time has come. We will put the plan into action.
What plan? What are you doing?
You must be growing restless, right?
Nimba, Amberly? So what is that symbol? Like, what does it represent? I need to know. Out of my way, life or death battle. Majin Vegeta? Goku? Ah! And then there's Broly. Oh, Kakarot! I knew it. See? Every time I go into the storm mode, I have more ki.
It's completely off the charts. You're right. We can do it. Fight Majin Buu together. Even you are vulnerable when you're not there.
Kano Kamehameha!
After that, I'll have our fight.
over here, Broly. Don't come at me. Attack! Die. Die.
Smokey's out of the picture. That's it. Back on track.
Take it. Final countdown. Attack! Oh no, he turned me into candy. So he can't fight me while I'm candy. So what's the point of that attack? Final countdown. Attack! How do you dodge it every time? Oh god, he's gonna blow himself up.
I know you've got more than that.
I've watched the anime and I've read the manga.
Dad!
Trunks,
Going up this year.
take care of your mother for me.
Huh?
I haven't hugged you even once since you were a baby. Let's embrace.
Come on, Dad. You're embarrassing me.
Take care, my son.
God.
Take those two as far away as you can. Hurry. Counting on you. I know how to be rid of you now. For good. It's time. For
What? I didn't even hear you.
keep you from coming back this time. I blow you to dust. Farewell, for troubles.
Mine.
Great work. You did very well today.
Yeah.
Father, that wasn't an easy piece of history to revisit for you. But there is no time to stew over the past. History is still quite a bit off kilter at the moment.
Hey!
What do you want?
Come on, grow a heart already. You need to take it easy on Trunks. This has been very hard on him.
No, I'm fine, really. Thank you, though. I'm proud to be my father's son. Seeing that won't get me down. Anyway, thanks for your hard work. Go get some rest, then talk to me when you're ready.
Okay then.
Take a look at this scroll. This change in history is far worse than what we've seen so far. Majin Buu was dangerous enough as he was before, but he's gotten much stronger now.
Plus, you'll have to watch out for Mira.
I'll be off tracking Mira from another angle. You stay focused on Majin Buu.
I remember one time somebody told me that it was Majin Buu. I was like, no, it's not. It's Majin Buu. Whoever says Majin. Trunks said, Majin Buu. One time in Xenoverse 1. Oh.
Be my snack. I don't like. I'll turn you into a...
I thought it would be an easy win. This is
Stranger, listen up. Got a bit of a job for you.
He's growing stronger. The three of them are barely a match for him.
I haven't even touched him yet. Watch this. Die! See, that did a little bit of damage. Yeah, we beat Boo. He fell all the way to the floor.
What? What a monster! You've reached a level any sane would dream of.
Yeah, because I'm just cool like that. I'm a boss. I'm a Saiyan. I'm a Saiyan, Super Saiyan, Ki Blast in my hand. In my hand. Gohan. It's Gohan time. So it would still be, yeah, it would still be GT. As if it was Goku was still dead. It would be Gohan time. Majin Buu. Alright guys, we'll continue this in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.